Hello, everybody. This is All Things Scary 31, and I won't leave a big, boring intro, but I just want to make sure that you please rate up, comment, and subscribe. This is everything scary, from scary tales to noises to really anything. It would be great for Halloween, and it would be great for me if you would subscribe. Thank you very much. Here is the sounds of the diggings in Siberia of what is believed to be hell. They tried making plate tectonics audible, and they wanted to see if it was, but this is what came out.